Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of the Spin Master, Bakugan, Battle Planet, Battle Brawlers, Dragonoid. I mean, they can't even decide on a freaking name here. They're like, is it Battle Planet or is it still Battle Brawlers? Yeah. Not only that, but like I said about the people in the show, it's like, okay, you have other social media sites to upload your stuff to besides YouTube. What about showing them upload their Bakugan to, I don't know, Facebook? What about Pinterest? What about Twitter? Or what about saying, hey, everyone, these monsters exist. They can destroy buildings. Hey, support us and our monsters destroying the buildings on Patreon. For, only this much money on Patreon, you can watch us destroy a building. Yay! No, they don't do that, which is effed up, to kind of be honest with you. I mean, come on. You have these people who are lazy. You have the monsters who want to, interact with the characters, and the characters like, nah, I just want to sleep all day, or I want to get some hamburgers, or I just want, go social media sites and send text messages and stuff, and things like that. It's like, yeah, and you're supposed to be the heroes for real. Not only that, I mean, the toys look kind of garbage. I mean, you have these diamond ones, which are just clear, translucent plastic that's not even painted, which it looks very, very lazy. I mean, at least this is painted. And then not only that, I mean, you don't even see the diamond ones appear in the show. I mean, the show is not even worth watching. I mean, like, if you watch 1 or 2 episodes, you got the whole gist of the whole season 1 and season 2 of the show. I mean, at least with the original Bakugan, you had them getting a Bakugan, making Drago stronger. That relationship with the Bakugan and their Baku partners. I guess that's what I'm going to call it. Baku partners? Bakugan type of partners? I don't know. But yeah, it kind of had that, like, Like, yeah, that close tightness, right? Later on, the series kind of fell apart. Gundam Invaders, Bakutat, Metadaian Surge, and all that stuff. But I mean, at least the show still tried to kind of keep it fresh. With launchers. I mean, we don't even have launchers for these Bakugan. We're back to the old school, just rolling them with our fingers. I mean, at least, in the other series, there was the traps, there was the ones that, like, weapon upgrades that could bind with the Bakugan. There was, like, arm gauntlets that hold some cards and had a calculator on there. There was arm launchers, hand launchers. There were storage cases and belt clips. We don't have belt clips for these storage cases. What about launchers? No, that shows you how unpopular Bakugan Battle Planet is. I mean, in Japan, they even had some that you had wear this wing, and you could use the wing to unlock the Bakugan into more and different powerful formations. They had where they were made out of metal and stuff. I mean, yeah, it's garbage, to be honest with you. And these star ones are like 10 to 15 bucks price tag. You don't get that much with them. They don't do that much. I mean, yeah. Now, the BakuCores are a little bit newer at this time. So I would have to say that is something that's kind of new. Will I still get these? I don't know. Probably if they were like in the clearance aisle, or if there was really certain ones that I wanted. Like that little bear one. I think it's called Kabu or Kachu or something. Maybe that one. I don't know about Finger here. Probably Penetrets. And maybe a little bit more of this Drago. But that's about really all that I'll go out and buy for real. Because, I mean, like I said, these things are overpriced. The show's garbage. You can't even download the app. I mean, it's something that you could definitely pass on. they kind of do it in two parts here. I mean, what's his G power? This one